Use then wause to wow baby. Yes, so good morning everyone. How you guys doing? This is Princess Evie, aka the leader that lead or that follow, the leader that lead with wisdom as a mama sister BG. Yes, so the leader with a different, the leader that lead other leaders. As soon as they come on and they share this video. This message is a very quick one to Anita Jackson with Lady of Saga, Lady of Izagodo. When I carry two of the consider. I just come from work, although don't reach like 1 hour. I used to make I sleep small, but I can't see if I never do this video. I don't want to sleep. I'm not see sleep. The thing they worry me. Anything when they worry me, and they let them act like, and I want drag two of them like I better pass my neighbor generator. Those if Anita Jackson never mention my name, you know, get view. You know, she not go get view. So that view which they want, I want give her that. I want to be, and gotta belong. I want to be by honest. I want to give you now. You know what I want to give you? I want to drag you now like I better pass my neighbor generator. But you know, say, I not be that person when you feel say you go feel beat. Me not be that person. I not be that person where your mind they tell you, I go crush you like never before. You know, see. That because you know come close to me, you don't know me. Ask people who know me. Well, I don't they fear anything. I don't they fear that person who will just come out your body, no, will come out your ekokodu. Me, I they remove all of them. One not they remain. I make not they send anybody. In a more this it is concerned. We are only sojourn me here. A day we come, a hour of record, everybody will go be a papa name. That make me not send anybody. So please, if you're just coming, subscribe to my, you know now, to my family. Oh yeah, now me as a mama family, just they subscribe, they give her a double tap, they double tap the screen. As they call you, they double tap, they double tap, they double tap, they invite many people. You know, if you invite, you understand. So as they work, they go. Yesterday, they don't say like quick video I do yesterday because I want to enter work. And as they do those cooking, I'm not supposed to talk. You know, since I have public food, you know. So now make me just quiet. So they do my video and not just talk. So today I want to talk small. You get why? I gotta talk. If you're not talking, it not go good. If you're not talking, it not good. I must talk. I must talk before I go sleep. At least this video now, if it take me like 1 hour. Lady of Izagodo, I want to ask you, Lady of Saga, come. You don't say, as you go carry your pikin, give Anita Jackson. You know, say we go drag you. Because that's what they do before. If you carry your children come abroad, you know they carry them go back. You know they carry them go back. If you even carry people come, you know they carry them go back again, you go leave them. So we want to ask you now, we will be your kagbe or social media. We want to ask you now, whether Anita, because we go call the government go in house, go carry your pikin from there. Yes. Now we go run out for you, we go help you. So the pikin where you carry a pass airport, enter, you not carry and go back. Why? Why you not carry and go back? What did they happen? They play. Hey, yo. And Lady of Izagodo, let me come ask you now. Say, why you not carry your pikin go back? Which reason? Auto say, why? Okay, I will call you back. Lady of Izagodo, Lady of Saga, Izobo, Lady of Izobo. Come, I they ask you, Esther Dokwe, ex-wife of Destiny Bagwa, you the Chris, I be you the mother, you go boy, to wa. To we to who gonna so you where ye. Lare, I will go wagwa you want see one. Who will go wagwa you missing one? You only popular, you only rain. Jamais see one. Ma walking above you where you're doing. Because thou will know how many times I make sure me. By now, my can need to yasun gene me. Because he must send day. A relationship in one bed. She can never see anybody like me. Emi, Abba say, I want to belong over Yakpada. I will have a ruler where make a run. Who they pursue, they go. Oh, mommy, if you're like them and you work here. Lara Anita Jackson, let me tell you. Yeah. Umi no le we competition. Because engwe fi we uno na mani buka wene. Mani bubu na ye gwana. Na. Mani ye viwinya, viodafia, vioria la wawe na me mawe gwana. Avie, ni ye le pote ni gbira. Uwe ye so ye kia no basu we aneja de. What the play ni viagbon, ni ya poste. Nego ya dame, a body wa go a gagia, we better, or wa gagia river. I don't get your time. It's time we re ani hena, environment na, na natiak braguje. Ni me tamgo we my home. Eriana, na natiak braguje. Na natiak braguje, gon bragbujwe. Ewo. Eriana na natie, atiak braguje we mana wa utagbona. Atie. So, na go de do tamawe. No la wo. No de boy kure if not no dena. Ere no bahia baso we na no hia wa no nyo so ai na nia. Who can expect it? You never expected it. When we me a dragoma. Unless man mo gbo mani. Ti bole. Like iya vera hia ira voin. Anita stay off me. La re ni tell you don't know la re o. Ovi lady of Izagodo. Why ya wo wa we? Avec Sonia Yoto. Ikata. Ina we mere we lady of Izagodo. Ovi were. Owe vian no me we go ni bo so ba ke so we mo. Because when e be mo no ya invite me were. Ara go vie bru ya invite me ba no me vie la dia. Lady of Izagodo we gbo we. Ini go rie nu e. Uve vian no ma we vian we gbe. Lady of Izagodo. Nu we talk bugwa. No we talk bu waiva, wa togu. Lady of Izagodo. Yara ni tajasi camera dan. Okunore wo god adulterous woman. Oma o waiva gbo bugbo. Waiva. Same bini here ni mi ka yara buka we same. O waiva gbo bugbo. Okay? Wa fit based on the same feather. Float together. O wa fit. When whatever what fits in it, it's better all the anyway you know it. Because me are here bugwe, me I make sure we are view we tule. Me are yak bugwe. Even no one yet physically. He only get spiritually ya zanzanwe. If you let down your way, zeve down your way. So that's why me cannot tell no bawari. I have to shook you. Or can you walk bele hama joni sa? Unwedi no big goni. He will beg behama jo. Or he can bring you no cabo balo. So that it's a gap beruao. So that we can favor. Wa me cannot swing me. We have a job boba vitamu we open me we have a mewo. Isu egbonu gwalo. Egbonu we on me ube. O we je eboni me we have video working. Me a bugwefo. E Canada ni good my I will bet that come and meet you there. E Canada ni good my va. We ask what's your authority you work bene. Eti me ya vo Canada, bema eti me ya be Canada. Bema eti me re Canada. Abi we ma e. Me aso ati you work bene be Canada ni. You will regret it. You will regret it why you even pass my cross. Because anyway we busy because they are now. We so kuna ka gbo nyagane. Stay out of me. Concentrate on your children. If necessary, do a filia kwa toro iemera. Filia kwa. Via le government, when we also bad government via. I will work for deport you. Me ati can send you. I work in here ya baniji. Uwe bono. Norieze a yon fiemi. Erani. Gwe aya sonwe. Bakberani. No keze de ado fie. Norieze ado fie. Nori ubo a yon fie. Eri here ya working with social media now. Because you want to be relevant. And you told me you are nobody. You are nobody. You know who say, Omajo da omaji eke, omaji kona, omaji side, omaji back and front. E moto wele reverse ne. Ekere ou, ekere. Umami ogwedayi. I will say, wena, you're supposed father children. They Iran. Because mimi wema, nyama gunu wewe na gisan, na ison hoe keno hoko na nisan. You know weme go say, yawe so drill, ha go. Adi toki. Awe we Canada because he only walk gwewe. Madame go gwewe. Lao. He go we competition. He ma wane competition. He go we competition. Wo we. achieve goal we. Me go, achieve here. I have my dream, I have my goal. Eh, wa achieve here for your information for national peace to reign. It must send you way, it might do exist. And dear be a over the yati benola muwe. It might do exist. Since you see attention now, go ready and work it. I will 1 year, one only yard attention anyway. No have lady of Sagano do movie, not came as one. Because authority are or be money at Tikwe, who will set a daughter about way. Who here ya we go? I understand. Who ya we trade by butter. You give me picky and give you money. Who we do? Who wherever the dime about where? Okokorioko to touristic. Lareo. Camera down on you map me have social media. Bossy and way friend with social media. Social media will not be boyfriend. You may not understand the way. Come on, me no more with Canada. I'm over there. With the Canada dig basset me up what. I'm no more. And I'm married her. I will say, it has it devil of your one of your way. Who were water. Always, what became a wallow. Oh, we are doing make you get booby. When I shower. Oh, where you boy and dig me. I will mess you up like never before. What was war? Are you crazy? The first insult you gave me was the same name you called me. You think I'm here to play with you? I've told you. A relationship in my wedding. No, do when I'm gonna Vienna. You can never have it. You can't eat your cake and have it. I'd rather have no friend than have you as a friend, as an enemy. On your enemy friend, even if you or friendly friend, even if you even no friendly friend, ye boni vie yaji. They will always be in confusion because I already know them by their name. By the word they represent, I know who they are. You think that is me for you. Stay out of me. If not, no dinner. It's going to be very sweet. All the regbe be over. All the day no over. Who can I expect no deal way? No, but tap my screen for me. Who expected no deal way? Anita just call Anita just say, who went bang we ready me? Hello, a bag when we be me. Then the work at cassette be me there. Then the work I the team will make but they will not work be me momo. They don't know. The sagan will be what I can. I'm just curious. I just want to know. I just want to ask you. I'm curious. I'm just curious. You only know way. You only know where. And then where I take be made there. Who was it? Be me. Am I me no receive me boy? They don't know him. In no way. I don't know what's a tea white be me there. Una mag boom mama, my mirror be me. And I got me tell him where Babure or him be with dear or they don't know him. Me, I mean, with Saga, me, why you cocoa bonnet can hear so you are buying. Onya, over. Me, I boo Evani Wugwe are two way. Evani Wugwe are two way. I greet you, good afternoon. Here got two way. How dare you? Well, I'm a lady of Sagan with the real vehicle when in the radio here and none of your web by a day. Or I say, yeah, I know. That is over here, give what it be. A real cadouji. All word of your very minor way, a lady of Saga Vienna or we move here by anyway. Or mamma here what it be. Or not by no cado. Or I no cado, no, not Vivier, la Lord Donovan Via what it be. La vie elle a doublé non na vie awurigbe. Mami na ono no na ori awurigbe. Ori awurigbe bi aze drag we la capital pa. Ye mi ata motimeni a dress we me ya ni. A we ma drag we police ado begogo wonu we. Wa gbe o. They have to come and press there. Nous devons faire les deux saga go violio viere go mari ekba. The way I have the police. The police Canada don't know where is the lady of saga go view the viere no mari ekba. No attend the police. Since we mwe gbeni menene me ready no we ever ready me. E cut no we mumere te cut the tin ahwe ya. Abitia ya bere jouer. Nous mana gwejo ne kote bana gwejo ya kpolo me we saga we ma video we ya gomini we ya saga me degbe umia we ya make sure any me are you mad or something e kote we mana we mare kote do what ga you out of you when you are in Canada ni I mean you take me to court we mana we mare court o we atoto mare ma wa via vie wa atoto via jouer are you crazy? Am I your mate? Am I your regular? Anita go money we regular we. Oh wa lehia wa mikana so you don't stand there. I'm going to go you no can. Are you crazy? O ti go gbeli we wa to gbe wa. Iwahi. Iwu gwe me here. Abi reason we me reason me go nwa go to songu. Am I your mate? We na take opportunity. No wa mi oye tune. O wa gbe lagboya wa bana. To go via session wo me aye lukbo. To go by Natasha, we may look book. We have baby my own. Who look here? Whatever direction. We direction, we going, we coming, we back, we front. Imotuwe la reverse origin. Oh, ye kwa woluku. Imotuwe, gadone. No muye, no ye kwa woluku. Are you crazy? Am I a regular? You is working with Dotwa, Bioboa. Is you working by a bonare. Ye one by two. Ori half plots ya. Vina gwana na juwa de cemetery. Afile kwade. Ijenero wae. Umeme. You crazy? Abigo ni hede no miye yegbe mwe. Igo hede no wade kawabo. O viejina. O wagbela boya waba. O wade melade mawagbado usaga. Umeme. Ukeregbe agome dibuti we. Odero mwa keke ne wado blame me. Because they ya wogo me umi arefo. Nobody won't want to work it. I don't know what take care. Will you get inside? Very any human being. Will you get inside? Nehuemu. Go and take off your children. I'm happy with you. On your bugwewa. When my bonny take bugwewa in Nigeria. It was already arrogant. Only you take bugwewa in Nigeria. And you know you complain. Who's a now okay. Who don't stay. You know we are Timoze Bomo. Any up Bobeba. He said to Mozebomo, what we might be, what we do a little your war back, but you go, ya bill, your my. We are do ya bill or more when you are also no monowa, ya to tie agbo away, yahu, do a woman stop. Yahu, agbo. Uza so, no, see, I can say no, only we like an uze. We are going to know the Canada, one or about war with you, the one young belly in Canada, do bet. One or one agbe la de Canada, burn on here agbe. It's going to be war. Wow, but only agbe Canada. More safe you in Nigeria. Only agbo in Nigeria. So I need a shaba of la. I need a shaba of bekus nyanue. I don't trust woman or rebo water. I am a weakness. I need bebo gome. Usi ame rebo water. And I be a ben when I ben any man one. I agbe me. O kwa ira gene mo wodo iri lene iwale imudiawa because ne do korotive imaria severio me masati fredo give for ma we ya committed doctrine wo wodo so imani wa go nani we no ti tamime mo ju mo tamime me meritally we e di wasi tali ni wa we kini wa gbole kani bomi now. Are you crazy? I'm not that regular type. I'm not that kind of a woman. Also ne fake kiamana if I go kiamana la me social media na Oman la me there because he ya kia. Yeah, no, I don't know. I can't stay in make ya we care you because it might the care exists. Come me care mohe Eke ahome zekiala you were doubtful. So why are you crying? They don't know what my TV, social media now you accept it. No, you're not telling me where you are breaking with view wearing. If belay as well, come and bet me. Oh, do you oh shari la lagba. Never will talk. When I go with you, what then I went back, I don't deal with me. Immediately time when I go, woman, I don't deal with me. Who can I talk to with Canada? Every money to have viewer, by boasting. Are you crazy? Are you mad or something? It's all in there. Egbo mi joue no remi. Awa bijwa. Abira no ho huano. Ime nya iti dadadan. Make when you waji medio wajo. Mayene. Mi awo ma mi ne kiri ya waji me wo idi yo wajo. Egume wo nyanya. Egume wo negbegwa. Egume wo mi ni no ho ho biru. Iga we. Go ask. Ewa ya ni egbekame. Inya ya pent. No be say that call even more lay. Ewa ya ni egbekame social media na ti nya ya pent na so pa Ika kama we mewe bowe do ave bonwa ya kwa we doni. Me I not be your categories. I not be your regular major door. Ije do me je do dey with your boy are you see even ya yawo. So no so na we mi on we wie. Me I ti ngwe nye na mi go ke ya wo ni oba lo ke ya wo. Menano, you the craze. I've told you stay away from me. He have been in me any way. Who believe? Give me away. Everyone can blame me with you go too far. What's your problem? Are you crazy? Nobody social media not pick on. No one would be on. It's a got bijou. We're begging the Unojia. Abisa got believe when he has wow to bear. What do you want on this sago when you move no nyagawe, no value you moto. Ugbe oni mo gwaso kagbone. Oni mo ni azeso gboju. U renwe, u gwa take, u gwa see, u look you get side. I mean ne go nya mize ne de omi baloti balo. Imo warupa. So wa seme. Imo warupa. When you want your body me tie, ye unduwa. I can never sleep. When me wan nyele la to tebedo ya wi. I cannot sleep. When you are jolly me jo, a call no. Me joga do no guide and see what your boy wae. I will soon, I will soon. No wajona ya feel body wow. Oh, whoever major door. I deal with the spirit direct. Il le bo. So ya all the move so no he beshile no bonwe. Who must to bonwe? Ya mo gwan stop because ye Maria bewe. Who go must to boy. Almost a bossy way. Very anyhow human being, very useless woman. Very anyhow human being. Man, you know who are 7 uji there. No matter concentrate your life for like a boy pri. Zaga. You might see me top for any reason. Now when I mean dash way or me top if no error no. Oh no. Even time we whether na we immortal when we owule mako kenesta wone igani ngoko wa mkhuri kaki honi moto wani adu awo egbebibani ibe to kian ya gume we case wa we ti bata the day we come you will cry we the get it you are here ya gume make a case since we call a case maybe like a case o to obo me na wa o enzo ma yari bai mo case re no ri win ori wa a bit what young Benagbele Bob Weber and say cut. You talk your own, I talk my own. You speak your own, I speak your own. You take a lawyer, I take my lawyer. He got be. But I will make sure. Yeah, working no balinya name boy at Tolegbe, no vam, no keke. Get it and woo lawa. Nikwemo. I shower dodo. Anyone no more dodo. I don't know bawa, I'm not bagaswa, is just shock. No way I began to do me go can you go jejeva. Oh no no ho ho ni fano de la when where go do why can we ka dodo sa dodo ai dodo mo wo we ne mi ori na we si ai iya ni we re ni de kemeru o ga gbogbo di ni a mo ho yi bare adodo ko de ka mo bo you are nuisance yere ni jawo yawo adoro wi we group ma oro wi we o gbisan wa o we destitute do we you crazy you mad who me ya O ben le na ti ko ngo bu wa. O kan don no. I o kan so wa for your information. I wa kan 7 no. For your information. Wa zuwa. I want to go we live it together. We are here the phone. We are here but friends we. So I'm we no we. Only ya mo so we are e me be no. E problem iro. I ma we anything. O kan di ma we waje for your information. O kan 7 no. Wa mu fu aba oni agba so oni agbaga ban. O kan we ban ya because we no mark a condole it. O here ya we di me bod we gbo no mego. Igo wa go e kakabo wa mego. Iwa hon. O mego. All the way here to ya. When my go family no baggy. It matter all the way back. I set it down, we try. I set it down. So come back to let Bugo be our bit of Bije, Ije no, or Ije no Gunania. I don't want the way to drag Ije, to drag the family. Waya wayao. Waja wayao. Niquemu. Now we no lava we lava. Will you get inside the Okobo? Oh, yes, she told we are. What my wajan Nigeria veterani? Oh, yes, she attended. Then you can worry yet, but no, here, my big way. Error. What would the one of the very hour makeup go wrong? Makeup go wrong. It's a when I work in Genatalo, Uberi or that grand, then I make a video nana. Because you are Talo Dukuna. Oh, go round your vicinity. What soon go the name with what bell, bikin a wall. You oh, yeah, nyaga. No composition, nothing to write home about, no capital, no gain, nothing. You are just ranting. If you marry, you are if you worry, then you will list it. Do if you worry, then you list it very carefully. And so, hello. Oh no, you talk beneath by you, focus here. Now, the lady of Sagan will be back, double tap and script for me. Uri lady of Sagan, Uri back. Uma be ele we do kwa we do dena do unda we do akpole uru yo ye no ye bagbo uya here number 4 children la lady of Saga of you go over Canada. I want to ask you why Canada base you give here and I'm here go work one it give I make no wala no waya here wa avi man do kebo ebo ikebo ge kwebo ge no be trader. Lady of Izagodo. Kame we igani tuwe because okpa waivahi. Yes. Okpa waivahi. Kama we no get inside do no denema no we bedra we do drag we by akbulu waiva kugbe. Asan ya bolu wa ye gbe yawa. Any give you opportunity to go me when na work by ezore na wa city. Ya gbo waiva gbe. Ya gbo wa gbe. Ebuwa bolwa. Ebuwa bolwa. In January. O wa la jo vi were ne ba were di ni me. O we me a. What is you level agbe?
You go shop food, you go shop me. I love the lot. I beg you. As you see me so, as you see me so. The smell. You see the smell? It's a smell. I don't know why I listened to you. You don't go. You don't go now. Now you do now. You want Never. Oh, we know how to. So no really doing man. And now, the time I went, or Bonnie, Uber. I know you're doing right. Yeah, go wash petrol. I'll go wash the petrol now. So, let me that one be good. After all, you say it's too light.
Just wait. Oh yeah, share the video for me. Or give a love and like what sure. You understand me? So by now, if you are concentrating on your family, it should good for you. Oh, man, wake a cabo. But stop saga. I know they do saga again. You know, see this Anita, they call me. Now they see me, they do saga since. She just, they make sure me up and down. My mother cannot let her rest. And then they might get out, you know. You might know me like bon. And then they might get out, you know. No, you know, you might not see it. Or with me, you go, you view me every minute or video swim. You might not swim, by no young yaw. You view me and are very good. A bang to deal with me. How well not to deal with me? Where did we have to deal with me? What do we have to deal with me? Me have said to deal with two way. But in your having one way ever since. Me home we had to go do it by nonsense where we go scot free very on it. It doesn't work that way. It will be lady or sogi wa. That's my question. Lady of saga. Wo viere damo yati wo we. Wo of Canada passport here. You need the Canada passport nene. No naru wo to abdot ebe where. Abe we do left for ni we are refugee. The document you use to bring your children to Canada, we want you to show us. Viewer mama, we are very happy to see it. Lady of saga, viewere. Ini go mi we na. Every time she could make sure my name. Every time then they call the video, call they give me. You know, see me they call her. The day before yesterday night she do that video. They call me, say now she don't bring the children. You're crazy. You will not feel carry the big man when you're born for. You don't feel carry one figure. You then Nigeria for your president to go marry your own best friend. You are stupid. Many look better more. Many look better more who. Many he walk back better more who you are moving even a way. I'm going to try. I will not try it. You try. Now I just let Anita just go where they do camera down for social media, where all the men for social media don't see a because finish. Now they follow me, they tell me, say, I don't bring the children and I want to deal with me. Are you crazy? Are you normal? You are not. I don't see you as a normal human being. If you are a normal human being, now you are supposed to focus on your life. Now that your children are with you. Focus on them. What are you doing on media? You are doing nothing. You are just constituting nuisance. When we with social media, me don't go first work on this money now. Yeah? Now my money not genuine money. But that small way they with you with the cash you sold is not genuine. Me and you know the work. You know get working slip. Say this one are your payment slip. Sure, me I pack up my way don't reach like this. If you're my way, you're well at we have me go with Canada. Anita, just go. You don't go carry big gas now. What government give you? You share them. 2 people for 1 room. 2 people for 1 room.
Yes, I call
Who does that? Who does that? I will mess you up for national peace to exist. Me go mess you up. National peace will can't exist. Iya we ya hina ya pitan we doni no baji. Owe Canada ari we ya talohian. I will veer your pieces away. I will bust your bubble. We bust our when you fit without what the government moon when I pay kobo. You go erect we are pay what we a receipt we are pay what manai. The receipt you use to pay your rent, bring it out. The oppression of your payment slip, bring it out. And let me bring mine. Let's do it. Let's start from there. You pay nothing. You get free as an asile political. You take visa to go everywhere you want to go. But me, I don't need visa to travel anywhere. If you want to be in Canada today, I will fly this night. I will be there tomorrow morning. If you want to be in America, I will fly this night. I will be there tomorrow morning. If you want to be any part, UK, I will be there tomorrow morning. It's not a big deal. You are in Canada does not make you more important than any, doesn't make you more irrelevant, irrelevant than any other people. You are so irrelevant. You are do business that bad. You not join. When we talk, you not join. You not join. Because one person don't reach me beat. If you want beat you now, carry Legend of Saga join you. Carry you join her. Carry your children join her. Pieces all of them together. One person don't reach me. Yeah, I call the beat one person they crazy. And normal person they me I am not correct. So if you want beat person they group on, you go be group beating. Oh let me go zanzan of no. No, never like a buwa. Anya no wa yada. One in the smelly background. Smelly background, oh, woman. A background no we are. A background wari elajan webu. When me borrow you gonna yasu iki. I borrow you 500,000 to start your business. Till now the money you don't return it. You are still insulting me. For what? Till now as we talk, the money you don't return. 500,000 I gave it to you to start up a business in Nigeria. You that live in Canada all say you have money. You say you are feeding me. I told you if you know you've sent me money, bring your receipt that you used to sending me money. Let the whole world see it. You couldn't prove it. You say you are the one feeding me in Germany. Good and fine. I did not argue it. But let the whole world see the receipt you were using to send me the money that I was using to be feeding. You couldn't bring one receipt out and say, this is your proof. No, you are sending if you want to do saga fly with me, not be with me, oh. Try the next bus stop because this bus stop about to kill Diri. This bus stop is closed. You go check the next bus stop because I want to go beat you. I go beat you at the pre more like pre. Yeah, no. Both physical and spiritual. Both physical and spiritual and habitual. Yeah, boy. You give only done. Even Zigo Jogbe 50,000 solve a problem when you don't know. Mexico ya bo, me ye wana ya gbokpa gbegbe Nigeria. Igbokpa gbegbe sagin. Peter we so he has scream we. E sagin no we gbe mi yakwa. E ba ni gbe kame aniyan, a market to the te ya riwe le hin. Atile, awa di bojile awatile ni magbege. Agbogo yo hin. You crazy? How do we na mi we here na dey court? Ekpe to gba mu dey court ni. How do you have guess on it? I want money wune case dismissed. Who bell? And life in idea the way we again. Uma the business away. Unless I did where ye can so tone. Now some live with some away. No one. Eh? Or set to that live with some you were winning. I can't add the pigeon who came and added a on work. What do you work, Bonnie? You crazy? Ever had make believe when me one gang you no coming. I am like here. Because he made sure we have me and my wait why so go bobo come we vie you no agbe kan man we jodo because he made sure bobo me wada we he made sure obi me o wa wada we u viere and I accepted you so bo we vie we gbe we wo ha we ikwejo we ga hia we wo pa we se mi ai u like mo ami you no like the social media na go ma we no be say na con shop e go ma we e go me go we Egwa for any reason. Uwa yore, ready money. Ebawa ready. If you be ready, what somewhere? Oh, we are not very gbe oko. Me I teach chukuchuku we me sure we if you when the government man leave you. We are let gbegbe. You want to say when my baby it takes one deal with you when oh what you we gbaga na. Oh, we agbe kan we to wele. My mother ho. Oh, mother fi moto baba moto no na makina ke moto na $100 moto na $100 uze moto so abaya so uko ka wa abaya cash eru do wa Canada e o mahini umami no ze juwe nobody listening because that one no dey help no be that one 1 year I said no moto la dia gidi event down them and down back here we dey but we may realize we dey don't we realize we did it by now? We are getting sighted, my friend. Who was war? You wish you were making. You wish we man one by one. You join a wagona who are blockage or no mirror. I would be the blockage of the baton. Can you imagine where the hell are? Okay, you walk when you feel like why we so docile. I feel like one opportunity was so bono the was so you sorry. You are crying for just a little opportunity. God just say, take. You just survive. Eto make me. Uri ek me. Because it's either sageno. Sagema ruwe. Uri ek me. Wano nyagon we lonania. Or so here where we are go. It come and say it's a bitch. It's coming back. I'm telling you. Stay out of me. That is the only way you can have peace in this life. If you does not stay out of me. Iga amuye ke daweni wega ambie kugbe kamudai. Iga ariye ke daweni na cross madina so adi with wene. You will run. You will run. Wa gwalo no do yin ame na la wa ka me vie de no semia. Edi mana dawe jibe mana na ma ewe. I dawe you mana na wo via no mo wakpa. Uwe bon we hiare. You crazy? O wa le de osaga sungu wa gbewa. Tu vas voir ma plan et jamais me to kuore kire. Ore kire so ko monte massa ma sorti mu doluku. Jamais me to re kire. Dinye we mundu na no hali luwe jukbobu. Jamais me to play. Oko. Ah no jukbobu sere family like be social media na. Jamais me to play. Jamais no do rio viene te report when the police don't your money. No do pick up here. If not, someone that your money you can ujere. By the time the police will clock on your door, with proof, you go know how far. You go know say na me beat you, na me chuku you, na me gawad you. I say I go gawad you for that Canada. E ma ga ire where mama you to do. Eri how we say. Here where mama you to do this one, and if you not see do this one, that someone do you. If you not stay out of me, ije we to go vie. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. Who said this? Where was so selling them? Oh, I don't you baby man. Agbeleya. Okpake. You know the story now. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. If I feel boy you yeah, I'm a bug boy. Okpa e kere wa vina. E cannot belong ba no tilo. O cannot let the best friend work ba. I'm not buying now. You well. I don't let they don't work on destitute is this. I told you of you with a platform. They can't go on to do yeah, you're oh yeah, they go along. And now we're going to go along. No, 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 go along. And I might understand. And my mama understand on now. Ewo, gbedo, ye kwe o. Onyu e ma dodone, adodole. Oni well. Anyu e ma yeme ni yawo. Wazua. We mi no magbade. We ya eme. We ya le me. Oh, see, I was very, very careful with you. Because I know it will come wire plain. I know. Mokpa o si egbe me. Even say. Mokpa o si egbe keki wi me o si me. Even say, even say, because I say, boy, or say, I must say, why I can just, okay. Why, no, he must say, why, or what say, he must say, because someone is my hair will very limit. So, Agboya, we must say, because I say, boy, you say you are here, even more see me, and I will not say, even more see me. Iya ni ke, ime you wa womo, wakiamu. Nema wa fifa wude, nema wa fifa wude. Oh, waki. Jungle Road, Ajuwa yawo, a route, nori degboto dasi ayeva. Oh, waki. If not, what did I told you? You had come away. Woman, we have JJ boy now. Did I say wrong thing to you? Woman, what's your bonne abrume? What did I say? Did that eat your bonne? Oh, yes, salad. Mokba will not go in Matania, Mokba. A map will know but you pick up on me. Where feed me a match way, or in a match potato. In a match, woman isn't here Google waking 2023. And look at your mommy. Hey, I get where. Me a match with me a do we in mashed potato. I mean, no, they are jila same ba minewa. But I don't want to go. Don't push me to that extent. Okpani ke ya tamawewe. I push me to that extent. I push me to the because iga mega like yamunare giari, you know. I've ignored you enough. And I'm not afraid of you. Bring it up. Come to Jamie. Don't shame me. Address him wherever. Yadi. Send me a letter. And we are the court already. That's why I'm very court. And I'm prepared. Don't Nigeria know that who are late. Who are when I do in Nigeria. Wait for me by January. I'm there. Wait. Even I mess you up like never before. Call me nobody. I mean, we wait to hear that but wait to go my grace in Nigeria. No, you have to come. You have to fly down. We go to court together. We arrive. We have your proof. We have your judge. And there is one word you use, which is against the law. Okay? The rest is assault. You curse me, I curse you. It's an assault. You give me, I give you. You curse me, I curse you. Imagine the two fighting without a problem here. My own person with two fighting, I assault my well. You curse me, I curse you. You insult me. Don't do my insult back in Banner. I don't want to make case in the court. Imagine you walk one eye. I was one of them. But imagine you were a war of women. I will review with the woman been and I don't know you're going to have a court. Ozone Mako. Ozone con de war. We cut. And we might be cut retina. Odi go work making a whatever bola for national peace to exist. Come on, get inside there we are. When my body other sister body other get inside, sister don't trust. Lawa. Sister don't trust Lawa. That is the beautiful part of it. Again, now go to working on that and I am you go. Oh no. I will tell you so. A boy need go down here with 3 minutes later. Okay, what for me? What David bed? A boy need a minute. I don't know when they don't have many when they build less depression. Guy always a boo way. A depression la with me. When one la with me now. A boy need what it boo say. If you don't want to read on it, the same boy will catch it. Daddy, Alpha, Daddy, see to Daddy, yay, brother, go oh, brother, go oh, brother, go oh, brother, brother, get for the Uruvu way, brother, not bagaswa, when we are young, the next not what do you know? We know what to do, Larry, Mr. Dodo, c'est millionaire, billionaire, when you millionaire, on a go walk, come up, beg, one we go, when I was a good I was sending young Mama, na way. Those are material things. Seek for help. No way, Emma, or you might be bonade. Hey, Igualo, Igualerico, Eric has a more bog, but Eric wall away. Ya in your boy because you deceive. You deceive that boy who was married no more Canada. Who married on us Italy. That's one zero was the document in the boy. You are destitute. You know what a destitute is? Go and ask your Google. Go at them with destitute to me. Oh, I wanna belong. I must be there. By force, by fire. While you're there, the next thing I end up or there. Still, why you go boy move Canada? Okay, I am. Trying for who? For me, I be for herself. If she's trying, it doesn't have anything to do with me. Sandra, she may say, please go and write her on her comment section. Tell her not to measure me. She measure me, that is why you see me reacting like this. Have you ever seen me ever since measuring her? No. So when you are coming, you listen, you ask why. Mama, why you do like this? What happen again? Then I go see a space more give you. Not be say you go come tell me say she's doing good for who? For me? Is she doing good for me? For my family? She's doing good for herself. If she's doing good, it's for herself. It's for herself. Doesn't have anything to do with me. And even the money she's using is not genuine. It's not her money. She's not working. Why can't you ask yourself, how on earth, 24 hours, money just came out from nowhere? This is the same person who have never worked. I'm asking you. Can't you think about it? Where did she get the money from? Where did she get the money from? From who? Who did she buy to make that money? Who did she rob to make that money? Who did they kidnap to make that money? To get ransom of such money? Have you asked yourself? Who do they kidnap to seek for ransom? And she bring that kind of money out and say, I'm using it to build one thing. So if you don't want people to talk about you, you stay out of trouble. Because ever since, I've not mentioned her. I've said, go. I have forgiven you. Whatever you do to me, it's over. Go. Just go. The same person who was not having cover. I give her money to start up a business. 500,000 now. She did not return. She did not return. She could have thought of that. She was my goddaughter before. So when we parted and said, we don't want anymore, then everybody go your pathway. Must we fight? Must we fight? I don't want it. I've told her I don't want. This is the measure. I've told her I don't want. Let it be end. When me and Dominion all happen, you see me, I don't run. When they do their saga reach one place, I carry juju, take pujara for them. I don't leave them. Me, I don't go swear for Anita since then. No. Now people, and I just look, say, the time will take place. I don't want to do this thing. Maybe people not cause say, where I go swear for. I don't go carry juju, better and put for your heads. They're not the life for my head. I'm not the grill. Me, I don't go carry juju, go in la j, go carry juju, put on top of this matter. But I let go. Get easy, get why. I see you hire yakinyenye. Me a mwebok bogwene. Egbe agbano gwene bana. Egbe a ohu gwene bana. Na mwebok gwene. So when my mwebok gwene na nu so boss here bonny dene. So already no awese. Then we go do and reach. I go carry you. Once I don't swear for you, you don't know me. If and even though say you shit from my front, I'm not gonna see him. Or to that you do by you, I'm not gonna rest. I'm not gonna rest. I go then now they say you don't carry your children corner. Now you won't come face me. What did you get? What are you the drag? Are they competition with you? Are they competition with you? Are they ask you? No. So your children are your competition. They are your rival. Face them and take care of them, not me. If not, I will drag you. I will drag you and we will see how you take bring those children come Canada. Now me, my sister's a full Canada. You don't know. Even the one we know your address, when even they pass front of your house. Now just one touch, one call. We don't involve police with the matter. Then from there we will start up. From there we go start up. If you don't know me, you know. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why can't you let me be? You don't remember the time you take calling mama, mommy, I get problem. Mommy, now this one, why not to sleep for your matter? Why did they drag me about that every day? Even you drive all my friends come out from my body. You don't want this one. You don't want this one. You don't want this one. I say, okay. This one not good though. This one not good for your body. I say, wait. What else do you want? When my matter tire you, you say, okay, now you say you don't want me again. Agree. Then you go. You do bad thing. I come out. I correct you. Say, no. You're not supposed to insult Destiny's wife because of Esther. Saying she and Esther get issue. In that matter, don't concern. This one is a family issue. Since you and Esther don't buy they play. No pull mark for their fight. Cover your eye. Let her not be you go feel solicit for Lady of Saga. Let another people talk for the matter. You know put body. Because it's not good. They feel settle tomorrow na their home. And what about you? Now talk. You drag me. I leave you. Then the next thing you go market for Nigeria, dressed like Kareta Ekpo, Ewuwu, masquerade. You go inside Kiosa market, go the video poor widow mother. And I come out and I tell you, say, no, what you did is wrong. Because you don't know the crowd of people with this in the market. And you know the kind of cost what they don't cost you since. You don't know. That's what you go do for some market, go the video, that poor woman will not do you anything. If you get something with the picky, go sort her heart. The time when they switch on, you call the woman. No. So why you call the video, the poor woman, I tell you, I said, this is not good. Apologize to this woman. Delete that video. May you for live long. Women weto. Women we only weto. Ri wa me woni we yawe. We will of you whom me money when I am view. When I am more on a baby on a beside your platform but I'm no re. If I need get I make you go where when I did yeke. What would you? Eh? I remember the good time, my darling Sandra. I remember the good time. I make me live on. Now she just begin to crack, they go, go here, baby, you walk me call. Who we are to you not here, baby, you were there. If we get cool last check up. I know they do again. You get gualo with, but I don't want. I don't want. I beg, stay away from me. I don't want. If you know her, I go tell her and say, me don't give her last warning. The next one she go soon now, Juju, I go carry. Now, Juju, I will go carry. I go Nigeria, I go Cotonou, go Togo, go carry their Juju, go Ghana. I go make sure say, I know they carry one to do from Benin. The one you go feel go bribe tomorrow. You not even know where they for doing. You know, only the voice and the Juju you go see. I go knock out for your head. I go leave you, make they cry, they go. So that if you when they don't like that for grant, they look up. If they run up and down, they found no if they go, it go hard you because I don't go answer you. Stay away from me. Stay out of me. Very necessary. Stay out of me. I don't want you. I don't want you. Very easy. They come on. Go and get a life. I get many things now. Only 2 hours now get down to sleep small. Relax my head. Because I wake up early. Go for morning walk. Come back. Get 2 hours now, go sleep. I will come out again, go work. You know the thief, they go. How do you get review? Eh? I don't make her. I don't pass it. Oh, look here. I love la music people. Baby, I live in for you. I don't send my message. If I say get time, I go come back tomorrow day. I go dey beat you till takidoko otin iyamwe bogwe swai. Cause I have to make it. I have to see. At least we have come to that part. Nana we cross the job. You know what we are working dominion. Yeah, but my bog bonnet. May you do exist. A bonny wa look where or low here. Naka mugweke only river. My tongue here 1 year, but I'm mugweke. My tongue here, bonny. Only ye get so ye gain you ever.